Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Morning. You guys, I just got to the office. Where's my jacket? Is at the back. I just got to the office, guys. Hold on, I think this thing is too zoomed into my face. Yeah, I figured it was too zoomed into my face. But how are you guys doing? Welcome back again to Booms's Spot. Welcome back to my channel, you guys. There is a subscriber here, Marlies. I hope I'm pronouncing it well, because she even corrected me to I can call her Ma. Right, we spoke this morning when I was getting ready for work and all, and I'm just really thankful for you guys. You don't even know how far YouTube can go, people that are even watching you from the diaspora and all. So she was coming into Nigeria and needed to do like a surprise event for her fiance and had booked me, you know. So of course, right? And most times when you guys ask me, Bumsy, how do you do it? How do you juggle everything? Why is this thing dark? Is it just me? Is it just me? But this is dark. Oh, is this better? Sorry, you know, when I'm using my camera, you just want to use the right angle. Who is this? You just want to use the good morning. You just want to use you guys, some people are not serious, right? Someone said the person wants to come and do apprenticeship with me, with of course my decoration business and all. I gave you a time to be there because we're decorating yesterday for this subscribers event, and you say you could not make it, there was traffic, so many excuses. I said okay, no problem, prepare a mood board and let me see this morning. And you're sending me a message, hello, good morning, I will not be able to meet up. If you can give me like to the end of the day, I will do it for you. I said okay, no problem, at least I tried. But that aside, like what I was saying is, you just might never know how far YouTube and most of this social media can take you. So this subscriber reached out to me. She lives in the US and said she was coming into Nigeria and she wants to do this decoration and all of that, right? And I was really happy with the way that she genuinely took care of my staff. My assistant was even telling me that the lady kept insisting, like this Marlies, she kept insisting that she should give her transportation to go. Even my boys, like they kept saying that this lady, when I even spoke to her today, I know, I just want to officially thank you. Yeah, I know we've already spoken, and I just want to just thank you so much for, you know, watching me and, you know, supporting my business as well. You guys, please reach out to Boomsy. Once I know that you're a subscriber of mine, I'm gonna put a lot of effort, especially emphasize on my staff. I mean, she told me that the event is starting 7 p.m, but I make sure that my people got there very enough to do the decoration so that she can visualize what it looks like before, you know, her fiance comes in for the surprise and everything. And if they need to make a little bit of changes here and there, which of course they did not, a little bit of changes here and there. But you guys, overall, I'm so happy. Thank you guys, Boomsy's Army, for your support and your love towards this my business. I don't take it for granted. I know she was just saying, because the place was quite far distance yesterday, and yesterday was a working day, so I had to be in the office. And I was telling her, you know, there are certain things that I don't come and share up on YouTube and all of that, right? A lot of people always ask me, Boomsy, how do you do it? How do you juggle everything? How do you, with this my business, I did not run it, or I'm not running it like my hair business, right? I have built a team of people that, even if sometimes my presence is not really even needed, but they know what to do. Initially when I started, I have to be at every venue, this one, that one, that one. Recently I was even thanking my assistant. She's been with me for like a year and she embodies KK events and decor. So I can literally be in the office and just, you know, they will be sending me videos of the progress of how it's going, how they are going. So building a team, you know, it's not easy, right? Employing people, paying salaries and all, but it is worth it, right? It also helps me to be productive in other areas. My job doesn't have to suffer, my YouTube doesn't have to suffer as well, and my business as well, it does not have to suffer. Like for example, decoration business can happen in any day of the week. It can happen on a Monday. Somebody wants to do a quick setup on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. How do I do it? You know, I can't be everywhere at the same time. But this particular business, I said God spoke to me, told me, said, delegate and you will see your productivity. Delegate and you will see your productivity. Now I'm looking to employ more hands, right? And I'm gonna do that so that we can also, you know, our inventory and our account and all of those things. I'm looking to employ more hands as well as the business is growing. You guys, the business actually amazes my husband. He was just telling me that, baby, I'm just so proud of you. I don't know, like, how do you do it? Somebody can be watching you and just be looking at you and say, this thing that Bumsy is doing, let me just, you know, because I've had a couple of people say, oh, they also want to get into this decoration business and all this. My husband was saying that they will get into it, but they might not have the grace that you have, right? That he just looks at me and is just amazed how it started with just balloon. It's just, okay, let's go and learn, you know, let me just go and learn and know. And anybody that I would speak to, you know, starting a business, don't just see me, you like it, you want to start. Go and learn the nitty-gritty about any business you want to start so that you can have it at the tip of your finger. But anyways, let me get into the office, and yeah, I'll see you guys as the video progresses. But anyways, welcome back again to the channel, and I hope you enjoy watching. It's been a moment that I've actually even used my camera to film in such a while. It's not your heart, so it's mommy's heart. But anyways, guys, I was saying that it's been a while. Will I really say a while? But it's been a moment of, you know, mommy has just been so busy, and you know, I'm trying to focus the camera, that's why. That mommy has been so busy, you know, and it's been a moment. Will I say it's been a moment? Which kind of English be this one? But it's been some time of actually spending quality time with my children. You guys, we have so many activities. Tomorrow being a Sunday, I have a decoration and they have a birthday party to attend as well. But today, daddy is not around. Daddy traveled. He's not around, you guys. And I'm just saying that instead of saying let me rest today because of all the jobs for tomorrow and all of that, I just said, you know what, let me spend, apart from like my children in the house and everything, let me spend some time with them, like outside. So this is not even afternoon yet, like this is morning, and we're heading to the beach. You know, they've broken down a lot of beaches in this Lagos, but can't you go and call Auntie Peace fast. Let's know that we have a lot of time today. Come on, go and call Auntie Peace. Come. Mommy, come. You guys, look at mommy girl.
No, I want to see my video.
Look at mommy girl. Mommy girl, say hi.
Hi.
Okay,
I want to see my video.
Look at Kaito. Kaito, say hi.
Hi.
You guys, we're just waiting for Auntie Peace to get done. And Kaito, go bring my bag. Go bring my rattan bag.
Ouch.
Careful, guys. Careful, guys. Careful. Inside my room, not that one, not my work bag, the one inside my room. It's been a while, you know, so I'm taking them to the beach. They broke down a lot of beaches in this Lagos, but there's another beach that is still very active. Uzo was there last week, and I was like, you know what, let's just go this morning. The sun is up. No, mommy, I don't want this one. This one is my work bag. Can I borrow this one for me? You guys, the sun is quite up. Kaito, bring it now. No, it's not this one. It's on the bench. It's on the bench where me and daddy keep clothes beside the bed. It's brown in color. If he does not see it, I'll go and get it. But I'm saying that they broke down a lot of beaches in this Lagos, but Uzo went to this one last week and it was really fun, so she recommended. But they are saying gate fees, I think it's about 10k per person and all, regardless of whether you are coming with a child or not, but gate fee is like 10,000 per person. Kaito. Pick up that pillow quickly. Pick up that pillow. Come and remove your hand from your mouth. Sorry, I went to get my bag. Mrs. Obichuku. Is it well? Can you guys see it very well?
Let me see my own.
Let me see your own, okay? Mrs. Obichuks.
Mommy, let me see. Mrs. Obichuks.
Mrs. Obichuku.
Mrs. Obichuks.
You guys, and my cap. Where's my cap? Can't you bring my cap? See my cap there. And my cap, and then we'll be heading out now. Let me go and spend time. Look at my cap there now. Look at it. Look at, follow mommy's eyes. Exactly. No fighting. No fighting.
Mommy, I didn't get seat. Mommy, I didn't get seat.
Because I sent you and you did not see it and Kama picked it up for you. So what is the big deal about it? You guys, let me just be heading out of this house. I'll see you guys at the beach. Okay? And I was saying that it's 10k per person regardless of whether it's a child or not. Ridiculous, Abby. Let's just be going. If you don't move your hand from that my decoration. Come on, move your hand from my decoration. Or heading out. heading out. I'm feeling myself. I didn't even do much. Just rub powder and then lip gloss. That's all. Oh yeah, excuse you. Because that is exactly what I paid for. So, I better give you this. Why are they still cleaning it now? Hi guys! What's wrong? Bring your children to have fun in this Nigeria. It's just something terrible. Have fun. They are coming here. And then guessing you guys are putting them in shit water to have their back. Right, Uncle, let's go to Echo Hotel. Come, let's go. Let's go. You guys, you guys, honestly, they've just spoiled our mood in this place. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, we're going to have fun, you guys. See, just I'm determined to give my children fun today. If not, would have just gone home and called it a day. But they were already crying when we were leaving the previous beach. You will not even believe it. But it's something that I will sit and give it. Hey, please, look at this place.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Now they feed this their bunny well. It's a big remove papas. 4 papas go swell up.
Oh, you guys are having fun. Come on, careful. Careful. Come on, come. Come on, come. Come on, come. Come. Yeah. Woo! Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Woo!
No problem. Okay. What the fuck?
No, baby.
You guys, this place is so much fun. I mean, I'm going to keep sticking to my instincts. See this one? This one is just like me. This one is just like me. What's the fastest thing that can come that we can nibble on? Bring spoon. Please bring all the things under here. Let's come and sit down that way. In her head,
Where's my spoon?
Yo.
What did everybody think? What is everybody doing here?
What are you doing here?
Actually, what are you doing here? My pillow was my hand.
Wash your hands. I blame you people. Slaughter 8,000. I blame you people. Yeah. Auntie, please. Oh yeah, you people should come out. You do. You guys, this should not want to come. Let's start going. Oh yeah. Come and pack. I beg. I have work tomorrow.